help us grow. Apple, apple, crunchy and sweet. Banana, banana, a yummy treat. Carrot, carrot, orange and bright. Tomato, tomato, red and light. Bread, bread, soft and warm. Rice, rice, a cozy charm. Cheese, cheese, oh what fun. Milk, milk for everyone. Pizza, pizza, cheesy delight. Cake, cake, a bite so right. Juice, juice, sip it slow. Yummy foods help us grow.